Yep.
All right. Should we go ahead and go out?
Give it a second.
All right, y'all got the salute.
Are you so hyped? Are you so incredibly
Will you be
hyped?
there giving me the starting beat? Cool.
Hyped. I'm trying to hate myself up. Are you hyped, dude? Are you ready? Are you hating the gloves still?
Yes, I am still.
Now, for the first part of your halftime entertainment, please welcome your future Kirkwood High School cheerleader.
So
Eric Gass that you not seen on the rails during the performance. For your own safety.
They're on the 35.
Why?
They're going to be on the 35?
Yeah.
No, 30.
The last one game we had the parents actually put them on the 35.
Oh, is that?
The little kids, like, were so excited. They were giving me so many high fives. It was so cute. They were like, you're doing so good.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
I mean, this is the
They're
stuff
so
that, like,
adorable.
everybody's very impressionable, so.
They're so cute. I never
All right, let's do this. Boom, boom. All right, it's game time, baby.
It is game time.
Let's get this show on the road. You want us going out there?
Yeah. If you guys want to set yourselves.
Go ahead and set it and like march out.
Yeah, wait till Smith gets the.
Should we at least get in front of the ladder so that way I don't have to do a weird curve around?
How spaced out do you want to be?
Yeah.
So, like,
So footing.
We're doing like 50 halfway and halfway?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to march out there or you just want to like...
Let's just march, and why not?
Okay, so why don't you guys set yourselves up on, like right on the, on the row line, and then...
8 steps. 8 steps. 8, yeah. Uh-huh. You want us out?
Why don't you count yourselves off?
Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1.
Now entering the field for tonight's halftime performance, the Kirkwood High School Pioneer Pride Marching Band. The Pioneer Pride 2023 halftime show is proudly sponsored by Brown Family Wealth Advisors, our family health insurance, portfolio enterprise.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
The Pioneer Pride Band is under the direction of Rebecca Freeman.
I almost just started it. That would have been awkward.
And Ellen Smith. The Pioneer Coach side is Daniel Seymour and Cheyenne Ross. Pod captain Abby Green, Tasha Boyd, and Penny Hawes. The Pioneer Pride Band is under the field command.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And break. Let's go. You got it, guys.
The 2023 Pioneer Pride halftime production featuring Angela. You should be dancing in the Stupid Crew. Here is Friday night.
Should I call him a set? Set!
You can support the Kirkwood Band program by participating in the Kirkwood Band's annual food sale. Scan QR code to visit the band and purchase your 24 hours off the street.
is over there. And that was our best one yet.
It was good, actually. Like, I feel like we stayed together for a while.
I'll be honest, I don't want to do suicides.
Yeah, we don't have to. I might just run with the clarinet.
Yeah. I'll go swing the trumpets. I know.
Another cadence.
Wait, there's another one? Oh no, I was like, what?
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, I thought. You take hats on power. Oh wait, are we gonna be in the back? Yep.
Okay.
We were last time. In practice, yeah. I take a. I hate to throw the hat. That's.
I can't.
Hey boy, here we go. Please give your local drum major a high five.
Please high five.
The high five tax. Whoa! There's a high five tax. Jonah! Jonah! How dare you? Jonah didn't high five me. Alright. Oh, you missed it. Too bad. Yeah. Be groovy about it. Left. Left. Make it something.
I don't know what happened.
Where's Lucas?